Hi, this is Chris and welcome to Winemaker TV. If you like wine, if you like mead, and if you like cider and you want to learn how to make it for yourself, well, this is the place for you. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll know every time I come out with a new wine and a new video. Today I will be showing you how to make your own 5-gallon bottling bucket. So stay tuned. Today we're going to be, I'll be showing you how to make Today I'll be showing you how to build or make your own 5-gallon bottling bucket. First I was making just 1-gallon batches. Then when I got comfortable making 1-gallon batches of wine, meads, and ciders, I bumped up to 3-gallon batches. It seemed like a pretty good size for me. But now I've gotten into making 5-gallon batches. And for instance, I have a 5 gallons of Skeeter pea just waiting to be bottled. But I only have a 3-gallon bottling bucket. You can't put 5 gallons in 3-gallon buckets, so I have to upsize. So what you'll need today is a 5-gallon food grade bucket. You'll need a drill with a 7/8 inch drill bit, and you'll need the spigot, the spout, the bottling spout. Since I won't need the 3-gallon bucket anymore, I just took this off of it. So you can put a 3-gallon and a 5-gallon. You can't put 5-gallon and a 3-gallon. So I'm just gonna get rid of the 3-gallon one and just stick with my 5. And I found this blue one, so I can pick it out easily out of all my buckets. I can say, hey, the blue one is my bottling bucket. So I thought that was pretty cool. Like I said, it's got the number 2 food grade emblem on the bottom. So let's get started. All right, step 1 will be measuring for the hole. So you want to take the nut off. Make sure you have your washers on, or it will spill. So you don't want to put it flush with the bottom because your bucket won't sit flush. So also when you have wine and stuff ready to bottle, you may have some sediment in the bottom. So we want to go a little up from the bottom. It's going to be probably about 1 inch. So you get where you're going to put it. And if you can mark it, that's better. It ain't got to be exact, but I pretty much see where it's got to be. And all you have to do is just drill you a little hole. Very simple. Drill your hole. Be careful not to poke yourself. Clean all the slag. See if I got if you have a pocket knife, just clean all the slag. Make sure you get the little piece out. So we're going to clean off all this slag. Then you'll make sure you got a washer on the outside. All right, once you've got the slag cleaned off, now all we got to do is assemble the valve. Make sure you have one of the gaskets goes on the inside, one of the gaskets goes on the outside. And all you do is tighten this little nut that comes with it. Tighten down really tight. Make sure the spout points straight down. And that's it. And that's how you make a bottling bucket. That's how you make a bottling bucket. If you need any of the parts like the spigot, there'll be Amazon links, affiliate links in the description below. Even if you don't need any parts, please hit one of those links and I'll get a commission on anything that you normally buy daily on Amazon. Help me buy more equipment and more wine and keep this thing going. Also, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll know every time I come out with a new wine and a new video. Also, I have a link in the description below for the link to my Facebook group, so we can join there, so we can swap stories, swap ingredients, recipes, and just have a good time. And this is Chris with Winemaker TV, and that's all there is today.